Hello guys, my name is Devish and welcome to my channel. This is the 12th lecture on the series Python for Beginners. In the last lecture we saw what are dictionaries in Python, how to create dictionaries in Python and how to update them. In this lecture we will see how to work with dictionaries in Python, and we will also learn how to perform some useful operations on them. So here I am at the Python console in PyCharm. Let me maximize the screen for you. Before we even jump on to any further discussion, let us try to understand why do we even need dictionary in Python. Okay, so let us say we are going to a supermarket and we have to buy a bunch of items from there. So I can say I have prepared a list. Say list 1 is equal to, and in this list I'm going to write the items that I want to buy from the supermarket. So I can say milk, curd, potato, apple, mango, and say onions. Okay, and when I go to supermarket I can simply refer to this list and buy the items one by one. Another better way would be to arrange this list logically so that we go to a specific section to buy a specific product. So if we observe this list carefully, we have two items, say milk and curd. I can find them on the dairy section in the supermarket, and potato and onion, okay, I can find them in the vegetable section in the supermarket, and the other two, that is apple and the mango, I can find them in the fruit section. So I can prepare a list for them like this: fruits is equal to oops, let me copy them from here. Okay, so I can break down this list into smaller components: fruits, then I can have another list, say vegetables, and I can give them the value potato and onions. Potato, and then I'm going to have onions as well, so let me put that here. Okay, and one more list for the dairy product. I can say milk and curd should go inside this list. Okay, so I have break down this big list into three smaller lists, and now let me arrange this list in the form of dictionary so that it is easy for me to figure out which list belong to which section. Okay, so I will take a variable, say dictionary1, and is equal to pair of curly braces, and I'm going to use this. Okay, I'm going to use this values, use these variables as the keys, and these list which is assigned to the variable fruit, I'm going to use this as the value. So let me take this fruit as the key, and as the key. Okay, it's not copied. Let me take this as the key, and this should be the value for fruits. Okay, so this is the one key value pair, okay, where fruit is the key and the items which are present inside this list are the values assigned to key fruit. Okay, let's do likewise for vegetables. Okay, and let's copy paste the value. Likewise we'll do the same for the dairy product. Okay, let me take this dairy as the key. And And now let's print this dictionary. So I have arranged this cluttered list into a logical manner in which the item type is the key and items are the values. So dairy, for instance, is a item type, and milk and curd are the items. Okay, so this helps us to quickly understand, quickly figure it out, or quickly search in the dictionary. So suppose I want to find out how many fruits do I have, so I don't have to go to this list and again see, okay, start reading from here, milk, potato, no, then I find apple, okay, apple is a fruit, then mango, and so on and so forth. So I want to avoid this. I can simply go to dictionary and I can say dictionary, and I am going to specify the item that I'm looking for, specify the type of item that I'm looking for, and hit enter. So I have just 2 fruits inside this list and I can quickly find it like them. So the whole point of this whole story was to demonstrate that search operation, like why search operation is faster if we go for dictionary. So if you follow this, you will be able to understand how dictionary is able, or how dictionary enables us to find any item in a faster manner compared to a list. Now that we have seen how and why search operation is faster in dictionary compared to list, let me answer this question more specifically as a developer, that search operation is faster not only because of this logical arrangement, but it is faster also because of the fact that all these dictionary keys, okay, that is fruits, vegetable, and dairies, under the hood Python interpreter is hashing these keys into some sort of hexadecimal values, and searching through those hexadecimal values is very fast. Okay, so if I have to give an example, so I can use a hash function. It's a inbuilt function in Python. So I can say hash, and then I can write this fruits. Okay, I need to write this in quotes, single or double quotes, anything will do, and I get some sort of value here. So this is a hashed value of this key fruits, and similarly there's a hashed value for vegetables, and there's a hashed value for dairy, for the key dairy. And whenever you are hitting any key, so Python is actually converting it into some sort of hash value, and searching through those hash value is very fast. So that's the thing which happens under the hood. It's absolutely okay if we don't get into too much details of this at this point of time. But however, as a developer, we should be knowing this. Okay, so let us move on to further example. So let me print this dictionary again on the screen. Oops, I want to print it. Print dictionary 1. Now suppose I want to figure it out, how many keys are there, okay, or how many product type, or how many item types do I have inside this dictionary. I can simply write dictionary name and type keys. So this should return me all the keys which are being used inside this dictionary. So I can see fruits, vegetables, and dairies are the keys which are being used in this dictionary, dict1. Okay, suppose I want to check what are the values which are present inside dictionaries. I can say dictionary name followed by dot values. It's an inbuilt method, and I can hit enter, and it returns me all the values separated by a comma. Okay, and if I want to get the details of all the data which is present inside this dictionary, I can also write like this: dictionary 1 dot items, and hit enter, and it will give me the keys and values. So if you observe this very carefully, this key value pairs is written inside this list in the form of tuple. So there's a tuple for each key value pair. So fruit is the key, and apple comma mango is the value. Likewise it goes, same goes for vegetable, same goes for dairy. Okay, suppose I want to delete, okay, or suppose I want to clear all the items which are present inside this dictionary. Okay, so the way I can do it, I can write the dictionary name, okay, and then I can do clear and hit enter, and now if I print this dictionary, I'm not going to see anything. Okay, so it's an empty dictionary again. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. Please post if you have any questions on the comment section, and I'm gonna see you at the next lecture. Thanks for watching.